Today we're going to be doing a comparison review video for these two charging blocks. This one right here is the INIU USB-C charger, and this one is the Bike Anything charger. So this is the two boxes that they come in right over here. This is the INIU charger right over here. Comes with this really nice cord over here. The quality on this is absolutely amazing. You got a little heaviness to this. Absolutely love that fact. You got the two USB-Cs and the one USB and this nice cord here. You can literally just plug this into any device. Love the fact I'm a Mac user, so a lot of my stuff is USB-C. So this is really great on the go. This next one right over here, so this is the block that you're going to get right over here, and it comes with this as well. The length on this cable is nice, but what I don't really like about this is you only have one input here, so you can only charge one device at a time versus the ability to charge three different devices over here at one time, which is nice. This is also kind of just, I don't know, not cheap, but not as good as quality as this one. So if you're looking for a great charging bank right over here, really like this one over the other one, just because it has a nice weight to it, has the two USB-C and a USB-C if you still have one of those older chargers as well. And this cable is just super nice. Absolutely love this stuff. So if you're looking for a great C charge block, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.